Sensirion AG's SEK SCD41 CO2 Evaluation Kit enables easy plug-and-play evaluation of the miniaturized SCD4X sensors and facilitates prototyping. The SCD4X is a globally renowned CO2 sensor that builds on the photoacoustic sensing principle to offer high accuracy and adjustable power consumption in a small form factor of 10.1 by 10.1 by 6.5 millimeters. The SEK SCD41 Evaluation Kit includes an SCD41 CO2 sensor mounted on the development board, a 4-pin jumper wire cable, a JST connector and through-hole pins, as well as a JST to Ethernet adapter cable that connects to Sensirion's SEK sensor bridge for easy evaluation of the sensor via the SEK Control Center viewer software. The evaluation kit allows designers to take advantage of the SCD40's extremely small size and high price-to-performance ratio in IoT, automotive, HVAC, appliances, and consumer goods.